Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Madam Glam was so kind to send me a new launch that's going to be coming up very soon. It's actually going to be launching the 29th of this month, January, and it's actually for Easter. So they're launching a new Easter egg collection. They did an Easter egg collection, I believe it was just last year. It was like a bigger version. Let me grab it, hang on. So yeah, it was last year's collection. It was a limited edition Easter egg. It was so beautiful. I absolutely loved this, and I actually purchased this one myself, but this year they were so nice and I was able to get it sent to me in PR. Thank you so much, Diana. You've been really great and like allowing me to try these new launches. I really appreciate it. So she sent me the new one for 2024. It is so cute. How adorable is this packaging? So yeah, I don't even know like how many gels are coming in here or what they look like. I don't know anything. She just asked me if I wanted to try it out, and of course I said yes. So we're gonna find out together. We have the Easter egg here. This is so pretty. It's gonna be so pretty just to be on display. Like, I don't even want to like ruin it, but let me go ahead and show you guys what comes inside. I will make sure to link it down below, of course, and then I will also have my discount code. I don't know if my discount code will work on it, but it's always going to be down there if you do want to try it out. So let me go ahead and show you what comes inside this Easter egg. All right, so here is the packaging. As you can see, this is limited edition. So again, I don't know how long they're going to have it out for, but they had it out for a good amount of time last year, so don't feel like you have to be rushed or anything. But again, we don't know how long the supplies will last. It might sell out, so just be wary of that. So of course, they are vegan, cruelty-free, palm oil-free, 21-free formula, HEMA-free. And then on the back, it says the ingredients of this little egg. That is so cute. I absolutely love this packaging. This is adorable. I hear something like rattling. I don't know what that is. It might actually just be like the lid. Hopefully. My mailman was not the most gentle when it came to delivering my package. I'll actually show you the video. But yeah, this is what's inside. Oh, I think we're good. Oh no, I'm missing one. I'm missing the lid to this one. It's okay, that's okay. All right, so we have 4 gels here. So cute. I'm sad I'm missing the lid for that. Let's grab these. Oh, the bottles are beautiful. Oh, I found it. Weird. All right, they're in there really good. All right. Here are the 4 gels that we have. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful these labels are. Wow. Oh my gosh, just look at that. Oh, I love that so much. So we have Egg Mania, which again, these are the ingredients on the back. So 1 cup of Egg Mania. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. This is like a very pale peach color. Then we have Bunny's Freckles, which is right here. So this is a no wipe top coat. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's like flakes in there. We have Extravaganza right here, a dash of Extravaganza, a pretty pale like purple, I would say. And then we have Magic Whispers, which is a pretty pale blue. You guys, look at the packaging. I can't get over it. These are gorgeous. I'm in love. I'm in love. Let me go ahead and grab some swatch sticks so we can see how these colors look. Okay, the first color we're gonna swatch is Egg Mania, which is the pale peach. Oh, this is so pretty. Wow. Next, we're gonna do Magic Whispers. Stunning. I can't believe they're already launching an Easter collection. Like, isn't that crazy, you guys? They do pastels right. Madam Glam does everything right. All right, we have Extravaganza, which is like the pale, I don't know, pinky purple. And then we have the No White top coat, which is bunny's freckles. Whoa, this one's thick. I can just feel that pulling it out. That thing's thick. Don't be dirty. All right, here's the glitters. It's like a blue, pink, and yellow. Oh my gosh, these glitters are so cute. This is a very thick consistency. All right, here's 2 coats swatched of each color. These are beautiful. I think this one's my favorite. I love that peach color, followed by the top coat, of course. But yeah, this is what they look like individually. It's such a cute collection. You can even put this on top and see what they look like. Gorgeous. I love this collection so much. It is so cute. Anytime Madam Glam comes out with a limited edition collection, I definitely highly recommend you guys pick it up because again, it's limited edition and that means it's not going to come back. You gotta snag it while you can. But I'm actually going to try to do some Easter looks using them. So let me grab some nail tips and then we will get to creating.
All right, so I want to do 3 super easy like Easter looks using only the gel polishes that came in this box. I'm starting off using Egg Mania as my base for this first design. I did do 2 coats, but I only show 1 coat on camera. And then I'm going to take Extravaganza and Magic Whispers, and I'm just going to use a dotting tool to alternate the dots between the 2 colors, just randomly all over the nail. Then to spice it up a little bit more, I'm going to take some clear acrylic, and I believe this one is from Mia Secrets, but I'm just going to spoon this all over the uncured gel, and I'll just keep adding acrylic powder until I don't see any more shine from the gel. And once I have enough, I will cure it for 60 seconds, and then I will take a dust brush and just wipe off the excess acrylic powder. Also, I realized I should have added my No Wipe top coat before doing this part because now I can't top coat the base. So just keep that in mind before you start adding acrylic. So the second design is pretty much similar to the first one, but it's just going to be like 3 half circles separated amongst the nail. And then I'm also going to coat those with acrylic powder as well. So make sure you don't cure the gel before adding the acrylic. Alright, next I just took this adorable No White top coat called Bunny's Freckles, and I used it to fill in the negative space between the circles. I did put a thick amount of this because I wanted it to be raised, so that way it evens out with the different colors, because I also put a pretty thick coating of those as well. Alright, I'm really in love with this last design. It is so cute, but it's very easy at the same time. I really enjoyed doing the ombre with a sponge in my last video, so I wanted to do that again. I'm just taking Extravaganza and Magic Whispers, and I'm ombreing the 2. I am going in with a couple of layers with this. You have to be patient with this technique. Cure between layers and just keep going until you're happy with the opacity. Once I've gotten it to where I want it, I went in with Bunny's freckles again, but I did hold off on curing because I am going to be adding some charms. Look at how adorable this bunny is. I honestly don't remember who I got it from exactly, but of course this was from one of my many TikTok shop hauls along with these tulips. I just added these two here, super cute, and then eventually I add a flower at the very top. But because these kept sliding off, I did cure, and then I just went in with rhinestone glue for the flower. And that was all 3 nail designs. I really hope you guys enjoyed the nails, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check the description if you're interested in this box. I will also have my discount code just in case you want to try it out. Thank you so much again, Madam Glam, for sending this to me, and thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me as always. I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.